Today marks the grand opening of our state-of-the-art imaging science suite and new programs in massage therapy, radiologic technology, medical sonography, and healthcare administration. This, along with the recent opening of our Computerized Anatomy Resource Lab and our highly recognized Chiropractic Force Assessment Simulated Technology Lab, are testaments to our ongoing commitment to excellence in health science education and cutting-edge technology. These new programs, together with our flagship 105-year-old chiropractic program, are not just about education. They are about shaping the future of healthcare. We are opening doors to new possibilities for our students, faculty, and the broader Finger Lakes community. Our laboratories and classrooms have been carefully designed to foster an environment that encourages curiosity, critical thinking, and collaboration. Our goal is not only to educate, but to inspire the next generation of healthcare professionals who will make a difference in the lives of countless patients. We have established regional partnerships and collaborations that will provide our students with real-world experiences and ensure they are well prepared to meet the demands of a rapidly evolving healthcare landscape. Together, let us continue to strive for excellence and make a lasting impact on the world of healthcare and the Finger Lakes region. Thank you, and let's let the ribbon cutting commence.